Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese. Today in our neighborhoods, it's another nice one with mostly sunny skies continuing on with high temperatures warming back to where they should be for this time of year. Later on this evening, 82 degrees is going to be our daytime high with throughout the day winds shifting out of the south. What that's going to do is bring warm, moist air back into our neighborhoods, allowing our heat and humidity to ramp up starting really tomorrow. So make sure to get all those outdoor chores done today while we remain comfortable outside, because if we look at the muggy meter, that's really what we're going to be showing here today. Still comfortable, dew points in the upper 50s, lower 60s, but by the time we get into tomorrow, dew points will be rising into the mid 60s, and by Thursday, the hottest day of the super 7-day forecast, we're looking at dew points to possibly exceed 70 and stick with that trend all the way through the weekend as well, allowing for quite uncomfortable conditions. If we look at our heat index values, not much of a problem today. We're looking at heat index values in the lower 80s, but it's just going to be a gradual increase. If we enter Wednesday, we're going to be seeing heat index values enter the upper 80s and then possibly get into the 90s by the time we reach Thursday. We're going to be watching it very carefully as we do have some severe weather potential also to talk about for this coming Thursday ahead of our next incoming cold front. We do have a level 1 marginal risk across all of our neighborhoods, with main impacts being heavy rainfall rates to lead to some possible flooding concerns like localized ponding, as well as damaging winds and some possible hail as well. So let's break this down on satellite and radar today. Staying mostly sunny here at 10 a.m., continuing on later on this afternoon at 4 p.m. Again, another nice, comfortable day. Wednesday will be quite similar as we start the day. This is 10 a.m. Still mostly sunny skies. We're going to be hot, though, as high temps rise into the lower 90s. Wednesday afternoon still staying mostly sunny, as overnight we'll see some clouds move through, but we're going to be staying dry still by 10 a.m. Thursday, looking at some clear conditions as, again, Thursday's the hottest day. But once we enter Thursday afternoon, ahead of the incoming cold front, we'll start to see showers and storms develop, and this is what we're going to be watching for those severe impacts, as we could continue to see some possible flooding concerns into Friday along that cold front that will be advancing through. Right now we're looking at 7 p.m. on Friday with renewed thunderstorm potential into Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. More isolated, however, as we're going to stay quite warm, like I showed earlier, with our dew points. Tonight, overnight lows also warming, returning back to normal into the lower 60s, but staying mostly clear. A look at our super 7-day forecast shows, again, 90 degrees tomorrow, 95 degrees on Thursday, the hottest day of the week. Overnight lows into the lower 70s, so not a lot of relief there from the heat. Once we enter the weekend, still tracking showers and thunderstorms will drop into the mid to upper 80s, but look at that, warming again on Sunday with isolated thunderstorm chances flirting with 90 degrees, overnight lows flirting with 70 degrees, and as we start a brand new week, we could see high temps exceed 90 degrees.